Hi, first grade friends. Today we are doing tracing spelling words. You will need a pencil, a crayon, and a marker. Please write your name at the top of the paper. Thank you for writing your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with consonant digraphs. TH says th, WH says w, CK says k. Our first word is black. Please finger stretch the word black. B-L-A-K, black. With your pencil, please write the word black in the first box. B-L-A-K, black. With your crayon, please write the word black. B-L-A-K. And with your marker, please write the word black. B-L-A-K, black. Our next word is the word which. Please finger stretch the word which. W-I-Ch, which. With your pencil, please write the word which. W-I-Ch, which. W-I-Ch. And with your marker, W-I-Ch, which. Our next word is the word bath. Please finger stretch the word bath. B-A-Th, bath. Please write the word bath with your pencil. B-A-Th, bath. Crayon. B-A-Th. And now your marker. Write the word bath, please. B-A-Th, bath. Our next word is the word then. Then. Please finger stretch the word then. Th-E-N, then. With your pencil, please write then. That consonant digraph, TH, is voiced. Then. With your crayon, please write then again. Then. With your marker, we're going to write the word then one more time. Then. Our next word is deck. Please finger stretch the word deck. D-E-K, deck. With your pencil, please write the word deck. D-E-K. You have that CK consonant digraph. Please pause the video and with your crayon and marker, write the word deck. Our next word is the word wham. Please finger stretch the word wham. W-A-M. Wham. With your pencil, please write wham. W-A-M. Wham. Please pause the video and write wham 2 more times. Our next word is the word with. Please finger stretch the word with. W-I-Th. With. With our pencil, we are going to write the word with. W-I-Th. With. Please pause the video and write with your crayon and marker. Our next word is the word thump. Please finger stretch the word thump. Thump. With your pencil, please write the word thump. Thump. Please pause the video and write thump 2 more times. Our next word is the word snack. Please finger stretch the word snack. S-n-a-k. Snack. Please write the word snack. Snack. Please pause the video and write snack 2 more times. Our last word is the word thick. Please finger stretch the word thick. Thick. Please write the word thick. Thick. Please pause the video and write thick 2 more times. All right, boys and girls, the back side of the paper is working with consonant digraphs TH. TH says th. You're very familiar with this paper, and I know that you will do your best. Please write your name at the top. When you are finished, turn it into the Daily 5 mailbox and move on to Lexia. Good work today.